One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm doing a bathroom deep clean with me, but on a budget. So I ended up getting this shower curtain with the hooks and a little rug from one of my favorite grocery stores, Aldi. I don't know if you've ever checked their, they have like a whole name for it now. They call it like the aisle of shame or the walk of shame, where they have like all these random things in that aisle. It's like a big thing on like social media and like Facebook or whatever, where they have all these like super random things, but a lot of times you can find some really cute things in that aisle. So if you've been to Aldi and you have not checked it out, check it out. This like 3-piece set was under $10. So it was really a good price to, you know, just kind of revamp the space. So on this countertop and in other areas of the bathroom, I'm using the CLR mold and mildew remover. I don't know why I'm having trouble tonight. Anyway, it works really well. I like the fact that it's foaming. It doesn't really have a strong scent, but it definitely gets some of that like old kind of like rust looking and like soap scum and all that stuff. It gets it off really well. So I love this product.
What's it gonna take for you to love me?
If you're new here, do not forget to click the red subscribe button down below and then click the bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads.
One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah.
Okay, I think this is called Sprayway. I don't have it in front of me right now, but it's my favorite glass cleaner for sure. It gets everything nice and clean, and I also get to like make shapes on the glass and spray out words and that kind of stuff. So definitely by far my favorite.
Time to make a move on my heart. What's it gonna take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love me? Yeah.
Alright, so now that I got the mirror all cleaned and scrubbed all that extra toothpaste residue and all of that off, now it's time to get to this floor. So I'm going to sweep, and then I need to clean the toilet all around it, inside, around the rim, and behind it.
Looking up at someone else, trying to forget and get you out of my head. No, I deleted all your messages, cause it only reminds me of the past. But you're still drunk texting me when you're lonely.
I'm just using Kaboom to clean around the toilet area.
Keep calling me on my phone. Thought I was clear, I'm not your friend, I'm not the only. You think I'm the same, but you don't even know me. So I don't know why you keep calling me. What makes you think I would go back? Why would I wanna try again? You're not listening, no. You keep saying you changed, but we both know people don't change it. It's time to let me go. Why won't you leave me alone? I deleted all your messages, Cause it only reminds me of the past. But you're still drunk texting me when you're lonely. I don't know why you keep calling me on my phone.
Pretty much love all of the Lysol Scentiva scents, but this one is really good. It's mango and hibiscus, and it smells really good. There's another one, I can't think of it right now. I can't think of what the scent is, but it's another, lavender and jasmine. That one smells even better than this mango one. So if you can get your hands on some of that, I haven't been able to find it in Target or Walmart lately, but if you're able to get your hands on it, make sure you snatch it up and actually get a couple bottles because it seems to be very popular.
Thought I was clear. I'm not your friend, I'm not the only. You think I'm the same, but you don't even know me. So I don't know why you keep calling me.
I keep saying that I'm going to try out those like Clorox toilet wands. If you've tried them out, let me know what you think of them. I don't know. I was just kind of skeptical because I was wondering if it would be cost effective or not, if you're constantly just like throwing them away. But it may be, you have to just pay a little bit more for convenience type of thing. And that way you can just, toss them away or whatever after. I just have not jumped the gun on it yet, but let me know if you've tried it, and if you like it, I may just end up trying it out myself here soon. One of my favorite inexpensive like cleaning hacks is to clean with toothpicks. I like them because they get into all those little nooks and crannies that you can't fit a brush in or whatever, and it gets the job done. So if you've cleaned with toothpicks, raise your hand. Alright, now it's time to put this shower curtain up and finish decorating in here.
Who telling me you want me down? Done it, I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this anymore, I go. Cause you a bad money, she don't love money. She break grass real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you all night. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind.
Okay, the white towels that I'm putting up right now, they are, I already had these towels. I did not buy them specifically for this project, but they were from Ross and they were on clearance. I can't remember at this point how much I spent, but it was cheap. I know that.
And it's hard to resist cause I need ya. And it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Holding a couple, get to you clean and proper. Yeah, I'm moving, no weekend lover. You gonna me on your.
Alright, you guys, that's all I have for today's video. Let me know in the comments what you thought of the end result. It wasn't a total like bathroom makeover, but I did just want to give this space a refresh, and I think that's what I did, especially on a small budget. So if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, subscribe if you are new, and I'll see you guys back here soon for a brand new video. Bye.